What up, people supported your man, the Gap. This is for Richard Rick. Up above the bro. London baddest promoter. CEO Richard Rick Global Limited. CEO Richard Rick Entertainment. What you saying? Let's meet at Kingspool. Let's go.
Yeah!
Mind the Gap.
What's up? So what's the what, Richard Rick? What you saying? Happy birthday, go Richie. Happy birthday, it's a birthday. Go Richie, it's a birthday. Come on, it's a birthday. The body come out, they got one more time. What you saying, Richard Rick? This is for you. Let's go.
Yeah!
DJ Mind the Gap.
Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday.
Yo, check it. Call Lil C's, tell him I'm on the go pick up 10,000 from Dez, go take about like 20 G's from Gino.
DJ Mind the Gap.
Make the door up out of here, nigga be snoring all night, I can't sleep. And all that big butt noise with the long hair come suck my dick.
Yeah, boy, baby, come on.
The doctor said I need about 3 weeks of recovery. The best part of the day is my half. Feeding me breakfast and the most SpongeBob. Niggas say I died dead in the streets. Nigga, I'm getting high, getting head on.
Richard Rick, this is for you. I know you like this one. Okay. This is Super Gaga Shuffle. This is for Richard Rick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, let's go. We want to crash tonight because it's Richard Rick's birthday. What are you saying one more time? Say what? Say what? Two-Face, I want to hear you sing right now. Invite me. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, let's go.
Mind the Gap.
Richard Rick, this is for you, brother. This is Gaga Shuffle, Richard Rick. This is for you, brother. Happy birthday, Richard Rick. This is for you, your boy, DJ Mind the Gap. Take it.